Good morning. This is Teresa of Mountain Air Farms. We're on a job site. We're going to be repairing. This little whale house. This is the same job that had the barn repair. They got this tree. They're afraid if the limb comes down on a new whale house, that would be silly. So, taking a tree down. Charlie, the owner of the property, sawing.
Why does it want to do that? Huh? Why you had to separate the eyes on it? I don't know what I've done. Hang on a minute before you do that. Oh, shut.
What are you doing, dear?
Trying to figure out how to start this thing. Hold on.
Different tractors, different chainsaws. It's early morning. It's a Monday. Now you can see the old farm. This was the old original farmhouse that got tore down. Or was tore down, not got tore down. They had Graham there. And so we're trying to really just keep all these buildings going. They don't want to have to tear down and build new. If they can keep the buildings going and keep them as survivors. I am just trying to stay away. That is my job, to stay away. And that would have, if they'd had a storm, it would have took down their well house. And now they got some cleanup, and then we'll be repairing the well house. Well, that's what we're doing on this beautiful Monday morning in East Tennessee on our job site. Well, remember to like, subscribe, and share. Get out, be careful, be safe. Try to spread the love of Jesus as you go today. And remember, as always, we love you. God loves you. You all have a blessed day.